Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to write your first C program. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the Hello World program, which is a simple program that prints the message, Hello World, to the console. The first thing we need to do is open your code block IDE and click File menu, select New, click Project. Then select the console application on the pop-up window, click Go. Then select C language. Click Next and name your first project, again click Next and click Finish button. Thereafter select Source tab in left side management column and double-click the main.c file. Now you will see appear your first Hello World program in console. Now we look into the code segments line by line and try to get better understand. The first line, include stdio.h, tells the compiler to include the standard input-output header file. This header file contains declarations for all of the standard I/O functions, such as printf. The second line, int main, is the beginning of the main function. The main function is the entry point for all C programs. The next line, printf, hello world, prints the message, hello world, to the console. The printf function takes a string as its argument and prints it to the console. The last line, return 0, tells the compiler that the main function has completed successfully. That's all there is to it. This is the simplest possible C program, but it's a great way to get started with programming in C. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope this is what you are looking for. Let me know if you have any other questions.